So hey guys, this is Dynamite boy here and I wish you all are well there. Now in today's video, I wanna tell you about the ways of study effectively and more productively. Now before going to the topic, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So now let's begin. So the first step is to get well organized. We know when we are start focused on studying, a lot of things that comes into our mind. So before studying, we have to make a to-do list to overcome this problem. This will make you more productive and feel much satisfied at the end of the day after you achieving all your tasks. One more point is to arrange all the necessary materials like your essential books, pens, and notebooks before you sit to study, because if you are not able to sit constantly, you cannot concentrate in your study. Now the tip number 2 is taking note while reading. If you take and note important points from what you have read, it will make your study more effective, and while writing down notes, it will make you memorizing power 10 times faster than usual, because when you write something, our brain have to more active to achieve the particular potential, and writing will put much pressure on our brain to stable at a particular point. Now the next point is to avoid distraction. As we know, human brain has the ability to think faster than the speed of light, and our mind suddenly lose concentration when we hear the notification sound from our phone or any digital devices. So before going to study, make sure that you turn off all your phone and digital devices to be a good knowledge gainer. Now the last most important tip is to revise what you have read. Repetition is the mother of learning. That means when we revise things, it's observed that our brain can keep this information for a longer period, and there is a very least chance of forgetting this particular stored knowledge. So we have to revise all the studied things at an average interval so as to get the maximum benefit. So these are the 4 most important tips to make your study more effective and boost your preparation. So finally, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, take care.